You are about to drop 15 grand on a high efficiency AC, but if you do not look closely at the metal cage protecting your investment, you might be buying a system that is wide open to hail, damage, and neighborhood dogs. The gap between these two flagship models is not just in the tech inside, but in the physical armor that keeps that expensive copper coil from becoming a leaky mess. One brand is doubling down on protection, while the other is leaving your system most vital part exposed to the elements. I am HVAC repair guy, and I have spent over 17 years in the field dragging gauges through crawl spaces as a service tech and running my own contracting business. Before that, I was a Navy nuclear electrical operator, so when I look at a piece of equipment, I am looking at the engineering and the long-term reliability, not just the glossy brochure. Today we are tearing down the Carrier Infinity 26 VNA1 and the York Affinity YXV. These are both ultimate tier variable speed flagship models designed for maximum efficiency and ultra quiet operation. First, let's talk about the big changes behind the scenes in the industry. You might know York as a staple American brand, but the industry is shifting as Johnson Controls recently sold their residential business to Bosch Home Comfort. While the name on the badge is the same for now, that transition is something to watch for long-term part support. Carrier, meanwhile, remains the flagship brand for Carrier Global Corporation, providing a bit more corporate stability for the moment. Now look at the efficiency. The Carrier 26 VNA1 is a powerhouse with a 21 SEER rating. The York YXV is right there with it, also pulling in a 21 SEER rating to keep those utility bills in check. Both units feature variable speed compressors and condenser fans, which means they can ramp down to just a fraction of their capacity to maintain a perfect temperature. But here is where the real world hits. Walk up to these units and look at the cabinet. The York YXV uses slotted panels that look okay from a distance, but leave a lot of that delicate coil exposed. Carrier, on the other hand, uses true louvered panels, and those heavy-duty louvers are the only thing standing between a stray rock and a $2,000 coil replacement. For a full 3-ton installation, you are typically looking at $12,000 to $17,000 for the Carrier Infinity system. The York YXV usually comes in slightly lower, often ranging from $11,000 to $15,500. You are saving a bit upfront with the York, but you have to weigh that against the protection you are losing. Warranty-wise, both give you 10 years on parts. Carrier offers a 10-year unit replacement warranty, so if that compressor fails in the first decade, they give you a whole new outdoor unit. York takes a different approach with a lifetime compressor guarantee, but they only provide the part and you are on the hook for labor and refrigerant costs. Plus, York does not offer a unit replacement guarantee on this model, so you are stuck with the old cabinet and coil no matter what. If you want best-in-class performance and you are willing to pay the premium for a system that is physically better protected and backed by a superior replacement guarantee, buy the Carrier 26 VNA1. The combination of true louvered panels and that 10-year unit replacement warranty makes it the smarter long-term investment for your home. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com